Today, we're gonna put these OEDRO floor mats in the F-150, replace the stock ones, because those things are falling apart in just a couple of years. I'm gonna open this box up, see what these are like, install these, and see if these are gonna make a difference. And I bet they will, because like I said, the stock ones are terrible. Hey, it's Tim, Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk. Got this big old box that got shipped to me. This is one set of floor mats, and what do you know? Haha, one set of floor mats. Let's get these guys out and see what the deal is with these floor mats. All right, here we go. We have driver's side, passenger side, and then the big middle floor mat for the center, as far as the second row, flat folding seats. So we can go ahead and take these old floor mats out, put these guys in, and see if these guys make a difference, which I guess they will. I mean, this is gonna be a big difference. I like the silver here, and actually has a little peel off here. Peel that baby off. Oh yeah, look at this. Has a nice feel to it too. It actually has a, interesting, it has a nice feel to it. It's not silver, it's not bright chrome. It has a nice texture to it. You can see how the mud and how, you know, snow and stuff will come off of this. And it should be laser cut right to the seat. And that is really well attached, so no issues there coming off. But that should be a good floor mat. Again, the stock ones have fallen apart, so pretty excited about these guys. Okay, here is the passenger side, and this is the joke, man. This truck is a 2023 model, and these floor mats are already falling apart. They didn't even last that long. And I don't really replace floor mats in the trucks I buy. I don't keep them that long. I swap them out the way the business works, but I've actually wanted to replace this floor mat. This thing bothers the crap out of me. I mean, it just doesn't even stay in place anymore. It didn't even last. It's passenger side. We don't even use it that much. Driver's side, yeah. Passenger side, look at this. Just terrible. So let's just get this out of the way right now and just be gone with it. I mean, it doesn't even stick to anything. And let's do a quick little comparison here. So let's just toss this up here. Okay, so we have old floor mat and new floor mat. I got it side by side. Let's put the old floor mat for fun inside the new floor mat. I'm gonna line it up here. I'm gonna get this one corner lined up. Let's go around. So I got the one corner there, and look at this. Look at all this extra coverage you get here, there, and look at this. This didn't even stay down, but look at the design of the new floor mat. See, it just goes down better. This is just gonna peel up, but that one, much harder plastic here, should stay down better. And then from the top, look at all this extra coverage I get. Yeah, not even close. Okay, let's go get rid of that junk. Let's go install this. And install, I mean loosely terms, right? So I'm just gonna put this in place. May have to move my seat back. Let's see, move the seat back. Okay. Powered seats are great for camera, so I don't have to manually do it. Stop my camera. So get that up in there all the way, right in place. And now look at that. So that fits perfectly there, perfectly in that spot there. I got additional coverage all the way up in there. Look at all that coverage. And then when I put the seat back, boom. Now that is such a much nicer fit. I don't have to worry about this coming up, you know, as far as getting into it, hitting my foot with that. That's much better fit. All right, let's try driver's side. I'm gonna come around and get the driver's side floor mat. Okay, this is the driver's side one, and yeah, still pretty bad shape. Really thick, thin plastic, or thick or useless plastic, whatever they made us out of. Resin, composite, whatever the deal is, just terrible. If you guys followed my videos, you know I had a problem with the hail damage. You can actually see the glass on this floor mat. So that's from the hail knocking out the windshield. Still haven't got it fixed. Just so you know, that's what's going on there. But let's put this guy carefully, gently. Let's see how this looks inside of this video, of this floor mat. I'm gonna try to get out of the sun a little bit. You don't see all my cameras and stuff, but I'm gonna line it up here as best I can. And then we're gonna see what's going on here. I'm gonna take my extension off so you see less of the camera, but line it up in the corners. Okay, so you can see the coverage is the same deal. Right there, and there, and there, and there. You can see that spot where this is already popping up. Same deal on the passenger side, right there. And a dead pedal, look at the dead pedal. This dead pedal goes down better. This is floppy. Same deal here, no traction there. And I have some lines here to help stuff come down. Snow and ice, nothing there. And oh my goodness, it's like, look at all this coverage here. You don't get it all with this F-150 stock, all the floor mats you get from factory. This has all this extra coverage. So we're gonna get rid of this and install this driver's side one. Okay, so we're gonna go up in here. And I already can tell, I mean, the coverage is so much better. Just a matter of getting it all the way up there. It's not used to having this much coverage. There's my spots. Go right there for that one. Let's see where my anchor point is. It's back a little bit more. Right there. Boom, boom. That's in, that's in, that's in. That's connected here. This is for my dash cam, by the way. And there's all the connections. So I'm actually going past the pedal now, which then makes a bit of sense, doesn't it? Because your foot is gonna have snow on it, mud, and now I get coverage past the pedal. And look at all that coverage there. So that makes a lot more sense for a floor mat. It's like a well duh moment. I'll move my seat up. And there you go. Much better. So then the final thing is to check out back here. All right, get this big guy out of here, put the new guy in. I'm guessing better coverage there, and I'll have better coverage down here because of the way that the floor mats went in. Okay, let's do a little this versus that. So the stock floor mats, we can kind of see here, don't cover all the way back, don't go all the way back in, don't cover that piece of carpet I was telling you about. These guys, even when I throw them on top of the other ones, that carpet's all covered up. This goes all the way back to here and it goes back in here. So when I pull out the bottom one, it should fit in even better like a glove and give us even more coverage to make sure that carpet stays nice and nothing as far as mud and snow gets on the floor. Keeps the resale value up as well. All right, what do you guys think of those floor mats? I think it's a big upgrade for me. I think those passenger side floor mats were a joke, and I'm glad to get those guys out of there. And driver's side too, I'm surprised how little coverage those came from factory. No coverage behind the gas pedal. I think that's a big miss. So I'm happy to have these new floor mats in. I'll put a discount code and your links and stuff in the description down below and also in the comments. Make sure you click that, check those floor mats out. Other videos up in the channel up over here, website down below as well, pickuptrucktalk.com. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you down the road.